Hello, my name is TJ Stauffer, and I'm a professional recruiter with the Connell Agri-Search. I am also a precision agriculture consultant. For many years worked in the hardware and in the software industry for equipment and agronomy retail. So I kind of bring that experience into the precision ag world now and focus on people. People is what I do now for a living in trying to help companies to build better precision agriculture teams. One of the topics recently that we've been discussing with a lot of people, is kind of a hot topic specifically in the precision farming industry, is the need for reverse mentoring. Now, when we're talking about reverse mentoring, it sounds fancy, but it's pretty simple. The reality is that the decision makers of any company, any organization, could be the executive leadership team, it could be a controlling board, governing body. Typically, those people are a demographic that are 50 years or older. So imagine that, if you will, if they're 50 years and older and they're used to making key decisions based off of personal life experience and so that they can mitigate the risk of what they're deciding upon. Those people are suddenly thrust into a world where precision agriculture has emerged as a credible need and a very vital tool in their industry. But the problem is they have no personal experience in it. As I try to illustrate it with people, think about an equipment dealership, if you will. We've had a parts department for 100 years, a sales department for 100 years, a service department for 100 years. But how long have we really had a precision agriculture department? Maybe 10 years, maybe 5 years. And so the reality is people in leadership places don't have any personal experience actually doing the job of a precision agriculture, precision farming specialist. So what rises now to the need is reverse mentoring. This is a situation when a person who has the knowledge and the experience but not the authority has to be able to come alongside that leadership decision-making body and then give them the knowledge and experience that they need to make a decision. This can be really tricky when you're dealing in your own company or your own organization. I mean, the reality is, how do you tell your boss what he needs to do? That is very tricky. And so there's a lot of things you need to realize. First and most important understanding about reverse mentoring is that you got to put yourself in their shoes. If you're a leadership person in a company, if you're a director, a decision maker, the reality is you're looking at your bottom line. You're looking at costs, you're looking at your revenue, you're looking at what's happening in the market space. So anytime you approach somebody, that mindset is going to be prevalent. You got to approach it with the information they need to be able to see, obviously, what the expense is, what the potential revenue is, what the market space is. You have to speak their language, and you have to humbly be able to fill in the blanks of their knowledge set, provide all the details so that they know they can make a decision, and even though they don't have experience in it or knowledge, they can feel safe and trust the decision they're making. That, in a nutshell, is reverse mentoring.